Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Use a jade roller after applying a face serum, oil, or moisturizer. It's best to use the roller on slightly moist skin. Contrary to a lot of claims, jade rolling doesn't actually help products to better penetrate the skin, but rolling on moist skin will be more comfortable, says Promoter.9 June 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Beauty experts recommend keeping your jade roller in the fridge to reap max skin tightening benefits, and the added cooling factor perks you right up in the morning. Up and at our facial muscles store a lot of tension. Then, apply a facial oil or serum, grab your jade from the fridge, and start rolling. 9 August 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Choose a facial oil with moisturizing and regenerative oils such as rosehip and lavender, and work into your skin with a jade roller to boost your circulation. This will increase blood flow to the face, helping to regenerate skin cells and softening fine lines and wrinkles. 22 July 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Here are some key points to look out for. Color. Real jade is a naturally dark green or light green stone with natural pattern varieties like white swirls and black dots. If a roller doesn't have the color or imperfections, it's a fake. 18 February 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
You should only be using your jade roller on clean skin. If you're going to roll in the morning to decrease any "I barely slept last night" puffiness, consider popping your jade roller in the fridge overnight. The cool jade will lower swelling by shrinking blood vessels. It also just feels really amazing on tired skin.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.